Hi, it's Ellen here from Sherwood Hyundai. Let's take a walk around this 2018 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter truck. Here you can see we've got some beautiful projection headlights along with the chrome and some nice tow hooks. It's equipped with Toyo AT Open Country 20-inch tires. On this 5.7 liter Hemi, you can see that the mirrors fold in quite nicely to give you ample room to squeeze through. This particular truck has also got a remote start with it. Let's work our way inside here. On the driver's door, you will find auto windows, doors, and mirrors. Below that, you can actually see that we have some nice cup holders and some storage for your knickknacks. With a quick flip of your left hand, you can adjust your seat so you can get nice and comfortable. Let's work our way over to the left-hand side of the steering wheel. There you'll find your dimmer switch and your headlights, also your high beams. Now that we're inside, let's start this truck up. You use your remote actually to start the vehicle. On the dash, you can see that we have 18,265 kilometers. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, you have some buttons to move up and down, and they will bring you to your trip and your economy fuel, and so for your tow package and so forth. Also, you have your Bluetooth capabilities. On the right-hand side, you've got your cruise control. This particular entertainment system, you can see that you've got your radio, you've got your phone, a compass. In your settings, you will have all kinds of ups and downs where you can scroll up and down to get your clock, you can get your date and so forth. Down below, you've got your outside temperature. Let's work our way down. I did notice in this truck when I jumped in that I was looking for a gear shift to move it, and it is controlled by a dial. You've got your park, reverse, neutral, and drive, along with the all-wheel drive, 2-drive, and 4-wheel drive below that for the buttons. Then you get to your climate control, set it so you're comfortable with the positioning that you want. And below those buttons, you will find your tow buttons and so forth. Over on the passenger side, you not only have that one glove compartment, but you have two to be able to store lots of stuff. This truck is equipped with a huge console. You can see 3 drink holders inside. Let's open it up. You've got your change separator along with the USB and auxiliary. Lots of storage there, and in the front you also have a few trays to be able to put some stuff. It can also fold right up if you need extra seating. These are beautiful cloth seats in this particular truck all throughout. Going into the rear seat, you can see that you've got your power windows here. Really nice bench seat. Drink holders for your passengers' convenience. The truck bed has a nice spray-in liner that's in great shape. Down below that, you will find your tow power. Come down to Sherwood Hyundai and take this beautiful Ram for a test drive. Our sales specialists can help you if you have any questions regarding it. We'll see you soon.